Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some new Erin Condren products with you that are set to launch on June 9th. This campaign was originally scheduled for the prior week, last week, but Erin Condren chose to delay it out of respect for the events that are going on around us. And with that said, I hope that this video will just be a fun respite for you, a little diversion from everything going on around us. And I don't take those things lightly, but I do think that a little diversion is okay. So with that in mind, I hope you will join me for today's video. I have been a huge fan of Erin Condren long before I even had a YouTube channel, so I love partnering with them. They did provide all of the products that I'm going to show you in today's video, and if you use my link in the description box to order, I will get a small commission for each order, but it won't affect the price that you pay. So I do appreciate your support on the channel. If you're an Erin Condren fan, I hope you're going to love these new products as much as I do. This is the Erin Condren Monthly Planner, and this is the new edition of what they used to call the Deluxe Monthly Planner. And they just eliminated the word deluxe to avoid any confusion. And this, I think, is a great planner for sort of big picture planning. Or if you have different areas of your life that you want to have a separate planner for, I'm going to be using this one for my YouTube channel. I would have loved to have had it when my boys were coming up and I was involved with things at church or Boy Scouts, anything like that that you want to have a separate planner for. I think this is perfect. This coiled monthly planner's base price is $40. It comes in this size, which is the 7 by 9 inch, or the 8.5 by 11 inch, which is the same as the teacher planner. It comes in the layers design, but you can choose colorful or neutral. Your coil options are platinum gold, rose gold, or black coil. And the interior options, they're all 12 months, but you can choose the period of time that you want. So either starting in July, August, or September, or January 2021. They have a couple of add-ons. You can get either 40 or 80 additional pages, either lined, dot, or productivity, which I believe means blank. Of course, there are several different colors, and I chose this beautiful wildflowers pattern with the cerulean blue background. It also comes in a cherry blossom color background. There are several other options, so definitely check those out. And I chose the neutral layers interior, so I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But I want to show you how pretty is this customization. I'm going to be using it for my YouTube channel, and they were able to customize it for me this way. This time I chose the rose gold coil. I almost always choose the platinum. I definitely always choose the platinum, but this time I liked this. I thought it would coordinate really well with this cover, which I think it does. And I think it will be easier for me to see that this is my monthly planner when it's on the shelf with my life planner. Now I'll take you on a little walkthrough of the interior. As you open it, you can see that there is a lined page that's perfect for using your wet or dry erase markers. Next, we have the quote pages, and you can see the neutral layers design that I chose. It also comes in the colorful layers. I fell in love with this neutral layers when I looked at everybody else's reviews on launch day, and so I knew right away that that's what I wanted to choose for this one. This is the at a glance calendar page. It has 18 months, so it goes from July 2020 all the way to December 2021. And I like using this page to keep track of school vacations and things like that. I color code them, and you could even do that for each member of your family to keep track of special dates, and that way you can just glance at that quickly when you are doing your weekly or monthly planning. We also have this new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, new results, sort of goals page. And it has 12 different boxes, so perfect for the different months of the year. You can keep track of birthdays. There's a number of things you can do with that as well. And then each month has a quote page and you turn directly to the month calendar. And so basically this is it for the monthly planner. You've got your traditional monthly boxes. You've got this notes section on the side. They have put in major holidays, and this neutral pattern I think is so pretty. It's just very pastel and pleasing. On this next page, you have a line sheet to the left and your sort of dashboard here on the right. And just like the regular life planner, you have these that you can customize. And so all you have written is the date at the top, and you can customize any of these boxes in any way that works for you. So for me, using it for my YouTube channel, I can keep track of everything that I'm planning for the month on this page. And then following that are several lined sheets, and I chose the lined sheets. That's what I like, but you can also get the dot grid pages or blank pages. And each month starts the same way. Go to August. Each month does have a subtle change in color with this neutral palette, but if you chose the colorful palette, it's much more pronounced, and so they tend to be, I think, rather seasonal, so kind of colors that you would expect for that particular month of the year. And so as we go through each month, there's a different quote. But if you really like simple, big picture planning, then I think these monthly planners are excellent. And I'm going to turn to this notes page. This is where you'll have all of those extra sheets that you can add on, which is great for keeping track of anything that you like, depending on what you're using this for. I know a lot of people use this as a budget planner. It would also just be great if you have different activities going on. I was really involved with Boy Scouts when my boys were coming up, so this would have been great to keep track of that kind of thing. So if there's any area of your life that you'd like to compartmentalize and have a place where you can keep track of everything, I think a monthly planner would be perfect. At the back there is the year ahead calendar, and so we've got January 2022 to December 2022, and I like this for making notes on dates and things like that will be coming in the next year, and therefore when you set up your planner for the following year, you'll have a lot of things that you can add into it right away. In the back of the planner, they have included 2 sheets of appointment type stickers, and I love this neutral palette. You can see the different colors here. And having 2 sheets is great. I think these are really functional stickers. So if you are more the minimalist and you don't like a lot of stickers and things like that, these are going to be the ones that you will find very useful. Behind the sticker pages, you get a pocket page that is double-sided, and this is a really nice heavy-duty cardstock, so it can handle quite a lot. And then on the back cover, again, you have another laminated area to use your wet or dry erase markers. And that's basically it. I'll show you another picture of this beautiful cover. I love this one. I think I like it even more than the Flower Power design. It's just very cheerful. This is the new Vision Journal notebook. It's actually already on the site now, so if you're interested, I'll have a link in my description box so you can check that out. It retails for $21. It is Erin Condren's answer to a vision board. I think this idea is so great, and I think there are so many different applications for it. You can customize your cover. This is the sapphire color. You can also choose turquoise or cherry blossom, and then you have different coil color options. There's either platinum, gold, or rose gold. So inside, once again, we have this cover page for your wet or dry erase markers. And there's a little explanation about how to use a vision board or a vision notebook if this is something that is new for you. But it's a great way for you to keep track of ideas and goals that you have, and it's a really great means for helping you carry them out by journaling. This page on the left helps you to get started on creating your visions and gives you some helpful tools and hints for how to organize your notebook. Next is this reflection page. It has spaces where you can record what has happened in the past 3, 6, 9, or 12 months in 2 areas. The next few pages ask you more questions to get you going on your vision journaling. This page is titled Getting Clarity. There are brainstorming pages. This is a dot grid section under the brainstorming heading. And then your journal begins with these quote pages. So there are basically a vision page like this on each side. I believe they call this a sketching section. So you can add pictures to this or sketch out your ideas. And each page has information that you can record about a particular goal or vision that you have. And so this continues throughout. And so there is loads and loads of space for all sorts of creativity in here. Behind all of the vision pages, there's another quote page, and that begins a section of lined sheets, some dot grid pages, and some blank pages for sketching. And it ends with another quote, and you've got your back laminated cover. So if you are a creative planner and you like setting goals and keeping track of them, this would be a great tool. This is the new for this year 17-month metallic monthly desk pad. It retails for $30. It runs from August 2020 to December 2021. It measures 19 1/4 by 12 1/4 inches. It has a different metallic accent for each month, and it also contains 387 metallic functional stickers in the back. This is a product that they have had on their site before. I'm not sure if it was new last year, but this is the new updated version. And it's so beautiful. These metallic colors are really nice. And I will sort of flip through to show you a little bit. It's got these corners, if you can see this, that are sort of a clear vinyl that hold the pages down. And actually I want to show you the back because it's really pretty too, even though you probably won't be seeing it. It's going to be underneath everything, but it's in the mid-century circle design. It's so pretty. And of course, all of the colors reflect the colors in the back here. So I untucked the corners so that I could flip through and show you. This is just the cover page. It actually starts August 2020, and this is such a beautiful gold design. It's so elegant, and each square has lots of room for recording anything that you need to. There is a space on the side for notes with a pretty quote at the top. You also have the previous month up in the left-hand corner. And I'll quickly flip through so that you can see the different months. Beautiful metallic colors that they have. Isn't that green pretty for March? Silver for April. May has this beautiful rose gold color. Purple for July. And then August 2021. So 17 months, which is really nice. This will take you all the way through the end of 2021. And then in the back is this whole page of gorgeous stickers. And a lot of them have the foil on it, so they are just beautiful and coordinate so well with the metallic colors of the calendar. I had 2 other accessories included in my box that I want to share with you today because they happen to be things that I find are just so very useful. And the first is this adhesive elastic pen holder. I actually gave some planners for Christmas and I included these in the gift because I think this is just a really great functional tool to have. You fasten this on to the back of your planner on the inside cover, and this little elastic part will carry a pen, and because it's stretchy, it fits a lot of different pen sizes, and it makes your planner so easy to carry with you, so you have a writing implement with you at all times. They also gave me these colorful dual tip markers, and this set includes black, red, and blue. I hope you found this little preview of these new Erin Condren products fun. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and whether you are an Erin Condren fan or if you are a planner that uses a different method, I'd love to hear about your planning style in the comment section. If you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. Subscribing is easy, it's absolutely free, and if you activate the bell icon, you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on anything. I cover a lot of topics here on Faith and Flour, and I would love it if you would check out my other videos. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the comments and in the next video. Have a wonderful week.